Okay, we start again. There was a momentary interruption. This is pothos, one of the popular plants down here. You'll see it all over the place. I had the philodendron. That was a house plant from up north that we got from Grandma Bertrano many years ago from Little Italy. But right now, it's keeping company with my pothos plants here. And the pothos, as you can see, with most of the philodendrons and all the other plants, they tend to throw out a root at every joint when a new leaf comes out, and a new root will come out. So you basically can cut in between the roots, in between the stems, where you see the roots are, and just pot them up, and you'll have in a couple of months' time, you'll have a huge house plant going for you. So if you want to grow some for some of your friends, this is the plants that you can do it with: pothos, philodendron, and everything else. But the reason I like the pothos is because the variation in the leaf, you can see the coloration is more like a yellowish color, that each leaf is rather unique. And depending how you fertilize it and treat the plant, you can get a very creative leaf and very colorful plant. And as you can see here, let me just lift this up a little bit so you can see some of the variations in the leaves. Each leaf is rather unique. It's just basically like a fingerprint, so to speak of. So anyway, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're going through each of the plants in the Dougherty garden, one plant at a time. Thank you for stopping by.